Hey everybody, how you doing today? Unboxing a Mr. Gold Holiday Carousel. 4 animated horses and riders circle around a wooden platform as 50 great songs play. Alright, it's brand new. Picked it up at a box lot at a PA auction. And here we go. Got that and Mr. Gold Holiday Carousel manual. Got that over there, and as you can see, get the box out of the way. There she is, got the tape on her. Doesn't appear to ever have been opened. I know I certainly haven't opened it. Just gonna cut the tape. Well, looks pretty nice. It's got a red and white felt top. This stuff's plastic. Horses look like they're porcelain. Base actually feels like it's wood. Got some mirrors going on. Little jewels. Not jewels, I'm sure they're plastic, but anyway. Alright, and it looks like here's your controls. Hopefully you can see them. You got year-round songs and Christmas carols. That's your on and off volume. And this looks like it's a jump to the next song button. It says push for new song. Alright, let's go underneath here. Gonna need some batteries, obviously. Alright. See you in a minute with some batteries in it. Hey, that rhymed. Using some 2009 Energizers. They came in a plasma mug I'm also selling, and believe it or not, they're still putting out some enough power to run the plasma mug anyway. We're going to see if it'll run this thing. That is if it takes double A's. I didn't even open the door yet. Alright, batteries are in it. Turn it on, see how it goes. Try shutting some lights off. Because there are lights on there that you can't see right now, so let me turn this one off too. Woo! Ah. Okay, I'm gonna try switching songs here. Song switch button works. Oh yeah, the entertainer. Crank it up. That's max volume there. So, brand new, works good. Don't know much more you'll see. Let's see. I guess this is a 50 all-time greats. Let me make sure the holiday music section works. Where is the light? I cannot see. Where is the light? Here it is. I see one imperfection. It's that little white dot right there, which is pretty close to the back. It's on the side. I'll spin it around, help with the display, and let you see the rest.